when, but my hair recently has gotten so thick, like, period. Okay, so the style I'm going to do today is a braid and curl. Very easy to do. So I'm just going to section my hair in half. Y'all, I swear y'all, I am so tender-headed. Because I do not be styling my hair like I used to. Wow, look at my hair, girl. Girl. It's cute. Okay. And then I'm gonna split it again. I'm gonna use a little clippy. Okay. All right. This back section is gonna be 3. I like to use mousse in my hair. I think it holds curls wonderfully. I'm using the Lotta Body coconut and shea oils Wrap Me foaming mousse. Take a little. Again, I'm going to do a braid and curl. Hairstyle that I started with was you know, a little soft roller. Very nice. So I'm just gonna switch it up a little bit. It's probably gonna end up looking the same a little bit because of the curl part. So again, this is a style where you probably would want to, you know, do a tighter braid. And then when you see this part here, I'm gonna leave it pretty free. Okay, I'm going to start twisting it up. And then you wrap it around the hair. Now, if you want a more full defined look, you can do smaller braids. Now, because it is so thick, I'm going to just wrap around, let me see, one time? Yeah, one time, just put a little rubber band on it. And now I'm going to do the other 2 on this row. If you feel like the braid is really, really thick, what you can do is, okay, after braiding a waist down, you can take some of the hair in one hand, do the twisting like I've been saying. So twist all of that up. Then you basically fold it on itself. And then once you do that first fold, continue to twist the rest down. And then rapidy, 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 and then pull a little bit. And then it locks itself in, and then repeat the process on the other side. Rapidy, 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 pull itself in, and then twist, twist, twist. Pull it down a little bit. So yeah, this is my little hanging Bantu knot situation. So this is what I first started doing before I was doing my little roller sets or whatever. I was doing this style here. And literally not too much mousse. Look how long that is. My hair is getting longer. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Wow. One day you'd be like, my hair isn't growing, and then the next day it's freaking flourishing. What? What? Again, start with the braid. I like styles like this because it keeps my hands out of my hair, pretty much. All right, so you get a waist down. I try to, you know, equal amounts on both sides. Get your twist going. Wrap the hair on itself. Continue to twist down. And then twist behind it, twist behind it. Okay, so if you notice that it won't lock, again, go back to using a band of some sort. I never really thought to do it like this before, like split it into 2, but you know, it comes to you while you're doing it. Like, why not? If it's too thick for it to go around, why wouldn't you double them up? So both of these have a double one. and I'm sure this one will have a double one as well. So I have like a bigger curl going on in the back, and then on top of those it's going to be smaller. So again, a little loose. Start your braid. So basically it is going to be like a two-tone type curl, but I think it'll be really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to continue this process all the way up. You can do whatever type of arrangement you want. I pretty much just go up in rows. I'm not being too picky, honestly. I'm not trying to offset them or anything like that. But depending on if you want a bang or something, like if you want a middle part, then definitely, you know, do 2 braids here. You know, if you want a side part, then you know, have your braids to be, you know, staggered in a way that would give you a nice defined side part. I feel like I'm a middle part kind of girl. Yeah, I'm gonna go middle part. Middle part is like my signature. So, or sometimes you can choose not to do a part. If you want your hair to kind of fall into your face, then don't do a definite part in the middle or anything. Just do the braids just like this, twist them up, and yada yada. So yeah, it's 11 o'clock on Sunday. I need my hair to be cute for tomorrow. Okay, we are up. Also, I like the idea of the braid because when you take the curls down and untwist the braid, you will have the hair will start going every which way, which I think will add more volume. Yeah, you gotta get that good twist in there. It's not gonna be cute unless you do the good twist. I can get 2 more out of this section. Whew, that's the, I got my Apple Watch on. So for the very front piece, I don't want it to just be like stuck on my forehead. So I'm trying to lift up the braid. So I'm going to braid upward. Okay, 1/3 of my head is done. 1 more to go. Okay, style is done. I don't know, maybe you guys will feel comfortable walking outside like this, but for me, this is the in the house pre-style, okay? This is I'm about to put a hat on before I go outside style, okay? But I mean, if you can rock it, you go ahead, but I can't do it. So I'm going to not have my bonnet on all day. It's only 11, almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, I'm gonna walk around until later on tonight, and then I'll put my bonnet on, go to sleep, wake up in the morning, and take these rolls out. That's the plan. This is the time where you may want to put some oil on your fingers when you take these down. I think I did put oil on my fingers, but I only did it that one time. I did not go back and do more oil on my fingers. So I'm pretty sure only the back got a little oil, but again, no oil anywhere else, just that portion and I just unravel the hair. As you can see, first you pull the little knot out, just pull it straight down and it comes out, and then unravel like usual. Repeat that process all over the head and it will loosen up. You can see how each curl is kind of doing its own thing. Once you unravel the braid, the curls go every which way, which I really enjoy. So yeah, of course, if you want to separate it further or loosen the curls further, you can spray some water on it. I like to enjoy every stage of the curls, so do what's best for you. Like, I know I want this style to last a long time, so I'm not going to detangle too much. I am going to separate each piece completely and rake my fingers through it, but that's about it. So as you see, my curls are completely taken out. Very much curly. This is day one, so the curls are generally pretty tight. This is a lot tighter than how my roller set usually be, but I like that the whole lock has some sort of definition, so that's great for me. So again, as time goes on, these curls will drop. As you can see, the way I did my hair, even though I did in the middle part, it kind of gives me the illusion of a bang as well, and I can throw the hair over to really accentuate that middle part, or you know, if not, I have bangs today. The locks probably don't do this, but I actually do like hairspray. I feel like my curls will last on their own, but again, I like my curls to last as long as they can. So if I think I'm gonna get 2 weeks out of this, I'm gonna use a little hairspray. Now you don't have to get super close like you see me far away. Killer combination. Plus it's raining outside. It's gonna be raining for days here in DC, so definitely want to lock in the curls. Again, super tight first day. Surely they will loosen later in the week, but that is the completed hair. Of course you can style it, so I mean, you can definitely style it. You can add a little bit of water if you please. You can tuck some behind your ear. You can definitely make it stylish for you, but curls for the girls, I'm going to leave it like it is. I'll show you guys later on what it looks like in the week. All right, real life, y'all. I'm getting ready to go to work, and this is day 2 with the hair. It's that time of year when light-skinned black folks start looking like sugar cookies. So I hear. So trying to get that together. So now sometimes I pin up my bonnet because it's so long, but first hair reveal. Still got curls. I had planned to pull some of the hair at the top out the way with these 2 clippies. Yes, I'm living in the 90s right now. Living in the 90s. I don't think any curl is out of place. They're very much lasting. I'm ready for work. Your hair done? It's my hair done. Just want y'all to know, day 3 with the curls. Literally just took my bonnet off. I haven't even redone any sections. Get somebody to, huh? I don't know. I didn't see that. Like, you see everything just shaking. Okay, still same curls. I haven't redone any at all. So like, I'm telling y'all, like, you spray the hairspray, do the mousse, your curls gonna last, or at least mine do. I will give my hair credit for the keeping of the curls, because I still have a lot of loose ends, and I feel like the pieces that keep the curls the best have a good bit of loose ends, so I'll relate it to that. I really like the curls. It gives very much youthful. I've always kind of associated straight hair with like being older. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, even when you're younger and you have like pressed hair, but like you look older, more mature with straight hair as a black person. Not if you are non-colored or, you know, but on the sister show, Tia and Tamara, like when they were like youthful and young in the younger years of their schooling, they had, you know, they wore their natural curly hair, wash and go season, okay? But when they got to like senior year in college, they had their hair straight. Like, you did not see, there was no more curls for the girls. There was all straight hair, and that's just like with the perception that straighter hair means you're growing up or whatever. So I don't know, I like curls. Okay, y'all, so here we are. What day is it? I did this on Sunday. We're still going strong. Curls are still curling. I haven't touched up a single piece. Like, I can see some areas where, you know, they drop in a little bit, but today's Friday. I don't know if you knew it, but today is Friday, and we still have curls for the girls, full head, and I have not touched up one. Again, one of my favorite hairstylists. I mean, you don't have to do a bang if you don't want to bang. Definitely have been rocking it middle part. Curls for the girls. Somebody told me I was really, well, homeboy just said I look good. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Do you have a boyfriend? Yes, I do. Move along. Thank you, though. Appreciate you. I was walking my dog. But anyway, curls be curling. They be doing what they need to do. Side part. Definitely switch it up. You know, do what you think is best for your hair. Do what you think is best. But just know that this style lasts for your girl. Look, hair still got body. I haven't put an oil, a drop, a moisturizer, or anything in my hair. My hair feels good. See, you gotta listen to your hair out here. Like, my hair, it say it don't need nothing right now. It's not itching. And sometimes, you know, you put too much oil in your scalp, you get a lot of buildup. I know I be getting build up. Let's see, we got anything? We really good right now. I haven't put any oil in my hair. Like, after I washed my hair, conditioned it, no. So sometimes over oiling your hair can be pretty bad. You know, your scalp does produce sebum, and we as black people think that we need a lot of oil. Not too much when you need it. I don't need it right now. It's been a week since I have washed my hair, almost. We good. Almost a week and a couple days. Do not need oil right now. So I think this is a pretty good test. Like, it's been 5 days since I had this style, and I think we got another 4 days left before I do anything. I haven't put anything else in my hair since I spoke to y'all. So I hope this inspires you to do your little curl set and leave your hair alone. That's the best way to do it. Just leave your hair alone. Leave your hair alone.